Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about permutations and combinations, mainly about combinations. What are combinations? Permutations and combinations are the way to represent a group of objects by selecting them in a set and forming subsets. Permutations are understood as arrangements and combinations are understood as selections.
What are combinations? The combination is a way of selecting items from a collection from a mathematical technique that determines the number of possible arrangements in a collection of items, where the order of the selection does not matter. In combinations, you can select the items in any order you wish. For example, given three fruits, say an apple, an orange, and a pear, there are three combinations of two that can be drawn from this set: an apple and a pear, an apple and an orange, or a pear and an orange.
So what is the formula for combinations? Firstly, combinations are represented by the symbol NCR, where N is the total number of elements in a set and R is the number of selected objects. So the formula for combination is N factorial upon R factorial into N minus R, the whole factorial. What is factorial? Factorial is basically when you take a number and multiply it with all the predecessing natural numbers. For example, if we say fix 6 factorial, that is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the formula for combination.
Okay, so the first example is very simple and it's just to understand the use of the formula. So the question is find the number of combinations if n is equal to 12 and r is equal to 2. So as we've mentioned the formula before, it is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. So the answer, as you can see, is 12 factorial upon 2 factorial into 12 minus 2 factorial, which is equal to 66.
So the next example, it's a real life example. So Mackenzie's ice cream shop lets customers choose two toppings from the list below to add their ice cream. The first one is hot fudge, second is caramel, third is whipped cream, fourth is sprinkles, fifth is strawberries, and sixth is chocolate chip. How many groups of two different toppings can we go on an order of ice cream? So again, we can use the formula to find the number of combinations. So the number of elements that we have is 6, and the combination we have to find of 2. So we use the formula and the answer like formula, and the formula equals like 6 factorial upon 2 factorial into 6 minus 2 factorial, which is equals to 15.
So I'll be speaking about the applications of combination. So some of the applications are, the first one is selection of food, menu, clothes, subjects. Some examples are 3 types of crust, which can be thin, regular, or thick. 4 types of toppings, which can be pepperoni, sausage, ham, bacon, and 3 types of cheese, which can be American cheese, blue cheese, and brie. So the second application is the lottery number. In the game of lottery, the numbers are selected. Like if someone has to select 4 unique numbers from the first 14 natural numbers. So here we can see that the different combinations can be made.
Thank you. We hope you've understood the topic of combinations well.